Right. He's just
Really
like
weird.
bored and too old to like, play with his downstairs anymore,
Yeah.
So he's just like,
Yeah.
what do? You just stalk your daughter's refrigerator, make sure there's enough protein in
Yeah.
there.
Mm-hmm.
That's what grown men do.
Gotta get those
Um,
macros.
yeah. A call from FBI agent Jeffries as well. Cube's other side quest. She's out in the streets where other space rocks have transformed into giant alien machines. Awesome.
Mm-hmm.
She's wondering, like, hey, what do I do about this? So
Mm-hmm.
I guess she's wondering about the terms of engagement.